Good morning, my dear students. Have a nice day. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh, your English teacher. So students, standard third, subject, it's English. Students, in the previous lecture, I had explained you chapter number 1, a pretty game, as well as I had given you the notes also. Students, जैसे कि आप जानते हो, पिछले लेक्चर में हमने पोएम नंबर 1 स्टडी किया था, a pretty game, right? As well as we had completed the notes also. और हमारा नोट्स भी कंप्लीट हो चुका है. आज से हम एक न्यू चैप्टर स्टडी करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स सी विच इज दैट चैप्टर. सो हियर चैप्टर नंबर 2, गो एंड कम. सेकेंड चैप्टर है हमारा गो एंड कम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस चैप्टर देर आर 3 कैरेक्टर. द मैन इज स्टैंडिंग, यस, ही इज द अंकल ऑफ द स्मॉल child. So here, as you can see, one little boy is there, and with that boy one woman is standing. The woman is the mother of the little boy. Students, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 2, गो एंड कम. इस लेसन में 3 कैरेक्टर है. एक है अंकल, और है एक छोटा सा बच्चा और उसकी मदर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर्स आर देयर इन दिस लेसन? कैन एनीवन से? यस, you all of you are right. There are 3 characters, and which are those? Uncle, a little boy, and his mother. So students, I request to everyone to open your English Bal Bharati textbook. In that, open the chapter number 2, page number 2. So students, can you see the pic which is flashed on your mobile phone is a textbook, right? Page number 2, chapter number 2. Students, again I am repeating, everyone just open the English Bal Bharati textbook. In that, page number 2, chapter number 2, go and come. So students, I am going to explain you in a stanza wise. Stanza wise means in a paragraph wise. Okay? So students, now let us start with the very first paragraph. Chapter number 2, go and come. Students, go and come means whatever work is given to you, you have to complete that work, means go and complete that work and come again. Students, जैसे कि यहाँ पर इस चैप्टर का नाम है गो एंड कम. यहाँ कहा गया है कि जाओ, काम करो और दोबारा आ जाओ. सो फॉर दैट रीजन इट इज सेड गो एंड कम. जाओ, जो वर्क दिया है वो करो और दोबारा रिटर्न बैक आ जाओ. स्टूडेंट्स, गॉट इट एवरीवन? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ गो एंड कम? सो नाउ द वेरी फर्स्ट लाइन. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. So students, as I told you, in this lesson there are 3 characters. One is the uncle, second one is the little boy, and his mother. The third character is the mother. So students, here it is said that once there was a little boy who lived in a very pretty little cottage. Students, pretty means, can anyone say? In the previous lecture we had studied a pretty game. So what is the meaning of pretty? I had explained you, students. Can anyone say the answer? Yes, all of you are right. Pretty means beautiful, pleasant. So here the little boy is living where? He is living in a pretty little cottage. Right, students? Students, what is the meaning of cottage? A small simple house. We usually see cottages in a rural area. कॉटेज एक छोटा सा घर है, जैसे बंगलो होता है उसके आसपास फुल ग्रीनरी होता है, राइट? तो सेम वे कॉटेज भी वैसे ही होता है, राइट? अ सिंपल हाउस. वी कैन सी कॉटेज वेयर? इन द रूरल एरियाज. मोस्टली हमें कॉटेज कहाँ दिखता है? विलेज साइड में. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? ओके. सो हियर नाउ, once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. So students, we had seen the cottage picture now only. Yes? एक छोटा सा बच्चा है, वो बच्चा बहुत ही खूबसूरत सुंदर से घर में रहता है, right? There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Now as I told you, cottage and in the around there is a garden, right? So here around the cottage there is a so beautiful and lovely gardens were there. So students, around the cottage there is a lovely garden. Means around the cottage there are so many flowers, trees were there. Got it? Students, कॉटेज के आजू बाजू में एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा गार्डन था. उसके आसपास क्या था? मीन्स बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स, पेड़, राइट? एक लवली गार्डन था. ओके. डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स ग्रीव इन द गार्डन. सो देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स वेयर देयर, राइट? इट्स ग्रीव इन दैट गार्डन. वहां पर बहुत ही अलग अलग किस्म के पेड़ पौधे थे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रो मीन्स उगना. GROW. ग्रो मीन्स उगना. बट इफ यू ऑब्जर्व इन द थर्ड लाइन इट इज रिटन ग्रीव. ग्रीव मीन्स उग चुके हैं. इट इज ऑलरेडी रेडी. द फ्लावर्स, द ट्रीज आर ऑलरेडी ग्रीव. Understood, students, everyone? So here different kinds of plants grew in the garden. So where the little boy stay? Where the little boy stay, students? In the cottage. And around the cottage there is a lovely garden, right? And in that garden there are different types of plants grew in that garden. Got it, everyone? And so there was a lot of work to do there. Means if we have a garden in our house, right? So there is a lots of work. As you know, students, we have to clean the garden, right? So there is a lots of work. Now which work? Let's see. जैसे कि अगर स्टूडेंट्स हमारे घर के आसपास अगर गार्डन होगा तो बहुत सारे काम होंगे. चलो देखते हैं कौन से काम. The plants has to be watered every day. प्लांट्स को डेली क्या करना चाहिए? पानी डालना चाहिए, राइट? द प्लांट्स हैड टू बी वाटर्ड एवरी डे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू सी द पिक्चर? यस, दिस बॉय इज पुटिंग वाटर, राइट? वी हैव टू गिव वाटर टू द प्लांट्स डेली. हमें पेड़ पौधों को क्या देना चाहिए? पानी देना चाहिए, वो भी रोज, जैसे कि हम जानते हैं. So students, now the next line, they had to be given manure from time to time. Students, they had to be given manure. Manure means just we need food time to time. Yes students, we are eating the foods time to time, like breakfast, lunch, snacks in the evening, then dinner. As same way, plants also need food. Manure means plants, food. Plants also wants food time to time because they also want to grow properly, right? Students, manure means material mixed with soil to help plants to grow. So students, as I told you, manure means material mixed with soil to help plants to grow. Manure means just how human beings eat food. Yes students, how we all eat food time to time. In the morning we eat breakfast. In the afternoon we eat lunch. And in the evening time we eat tea and snacks. Right? And at night we eat dinner. So same way plants also need food. Students, जैसे आप जानते हो इंसान लोग कैसे सुबह मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट खाते हैं, दोपहर में लंच खाते हैं, शाम के वक्त चाय और स्नैक्स खाते हैं, बिस्किट, राइट, और रात में डिनर खाते हैं. तो वैसे ही सेम हमें प्लांट्स को भी टाइम टू टाइम फूड्स देना है. मैन्योर मीन्स मटेरियल मिक्स विथ soil to help plants to grow. Got it students? Now, they had to be cut and pruned at the right time. So students, we have to cut the plants which is pruned. Pruned means removed unwanted and dead parts of the plants. Just students, how we cut our nails and hairs. स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि आप देखते हो हम हमारे नाखून जब बढ़ जाते तो हम लोग कट करते, बाल, राइट, हेयर जब वो बढ़ जाते, कोई शेप नहीं होता है, कोई आकार नहीं होता, तो हम उसे कट करते. सो सेम वे प्रून मीन्स जैसे कि प्लांट्स के कोई पार्ट जो अनवांटेड है, जिसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, जो सूख चुके हैं, अदरवाइज जिसका शेप प्रॉपर नहीं है, तो उसे कट करना चाहिए. तो सेम वे दे हैड टू बी गिवन मैन्योर फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. Got it students? So here pruned means remove dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help them to grow. Now, the garden needed weeding and cleaning. Students, जैसे gardens में obviously if we are keeping a garden, we have to clean the garden daily, right? Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. So in the little boy family, everyone take the cares of the garden. Got it everyone? Students, जैसे कि जो छोटा सा लड़का है उसकी जो फैमिली है वो सब लोग एक दूसरे को हेल्प करते हैं गार्डन क्लीन रखने में, उसकी देखभाल, केयर मीन्स देखभाल करते हैं. So students, I hope everyone understood the first paragraph, means the first stanza. Right students, now move to the second paragraph. Okay, so here the second paragraph. So students, now move to the next paragraph. So here the second paragraph. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. Students, can you see the image of one man? Yes, he is the uncle of the little boy. And the uncle had came to stay with them for a few days. Students, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे पिक्चर देख सकते हो, yes, ये एक आदमी है. और ये आदमी कौन है? वो छोटे से बच्चे का अंकल, राइट? और ये जो अंकल है वो कुछ दिनों के लिए उनके साथ रहने के लिए आए हैं. So here as it is said, the boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. Now, the uncle believed in hard work and discipline. So the uncle, he believed in hard work and he was disciplined. जैसे कि ये अंकल है, ये बहुत ही मेहनती है, राइट, और बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. One day now what happened? One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. So here, as you can see, the boy was playing, right? The boy was playing where? In the house. जैसे कि ये अंकल ने देखा कि ये जो बच्चा है, जो लिटिल बॉय है, ये घर के आसपास खेल रहा है. He was playing. Who was playing? Yes, the little boy is playing. Right? Now what happened? Little boy, said the uncle. Uncle ने कहा, थोड़ा सा जोर से कहा. Little boy means ए लड़के, ए छोटे से लड़के. Right? You will be far better at work. Means यहाँ पर अंकल ने क्या कहा? Little boy, said the uncle. अंकल ने कहा, little boy, छोटे से बच्चे, तुम ज़्यादा बेहतर होते काम में. You will be far better at work. तुम ज़्यादा अच्छे होते काम में. अब वो अंकल ने ऐसे क्यों कहा? Let's see. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. So here the uncle said to the little boy that your garden needs weeding sadly. So now go and weed it like a good child. So students, here sadly means badly, very much, used with words like needed or wanted. Right students? Sadly यहाँ पर कहा गया है बहुत ही ज़रूरत है. Right? अब क्यों ज़रूरत है? गार्डन में ऐसी क्या ज़रूरत है? Let's see. So here students, as it is written, weeding means your garden needs weeding. Weeding means removing troublesome unwanted plants from a field or a garden. Means the unwanted plants should be cleaned. So here the uncle is saying to the small boy that go and clean the garden. Your garden needs weeding sadly. So now go and weed it. Means now go and clean the garden. Like that his uncle said to the little boy. And in the last the uncle said that you have to clean the whole garden. Right? Your garden needs weeding sadly. So go now and weed it like a good child. अच्छे बच्चों की तरह जाओ और तुम्हारे गार्डन को ज़रूरत है वहाँ पर क्लीन करने की. जो प्लांट्स की अनवांटेड जो प्लांट्स हैं उसे क्लीन कर दो. राइट? लाइक दैट द अंकल सेड टू द लिटिल बॉय. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? लेट्स सी. सो हियर देन आफ्टरवर्ड, बट द लिटिल बॉय डिड नॉट फील लाइक weeding that day. But the little boy, जैसे कि वो छोटा सा बच्चा, did not feel like weeding that day. वो छोटे से बच्चे को ऐसा फील ही नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं आज जाकर गार्डन्स को क्लीन करूं. उस दिन उसे ऐसे लग रहा था कि नहीं, आज नहीं करना है. लाइक दैट. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? नाउ द बॉय सेड टू द अंकल, जैसे कि वो छोटे से बॉय ने रिप्लाई दिया. राइट? I can't do it, he said. I can't do it, he said means here the small boy said to the uncle that नहीं, मैं आज नहीं कर सकता. Like that a small boy said to the uncle. छोटे से बच्चे ने अपने अंकल से कहा, नहीं, मैं आज नहीं कर सकता. So students, till here everyone understood? Again I am reading this next paragraph so that you can understand. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Students, while I am reading the lines, you have to put the finger so that you can understand. Okay? Those are having the textbook, please keep the finger where I am reading. And those students are not having the textbook, you can keep your finger on the mobile also. Okay? So here. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. Little boy, said the uncle, you will be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. I can't do it, he said. So now students, let's move to the next line. Oh yes, you can, said the uncle. So here the uncle said to the boy that, oh yes, you can go and clean the garden. जैसे कि यहाँ पर अंकल ने छोटे से बच्चे से कहा, नहीं तुम कर सकते हो, हाँ तुम कर सकते हो. Well, I don't want to, not just now, said the little boy. Now what the little boy is saying to the uncle that, I don't want to, not just now. फिर वो छोटे बच्चे ने अंकल से कहा, नहीं अभी नहीं. Like that, a small boy said to the uncle. But you must, said his uncle. नहीं तुम्हें करना है. ऐसे किसने कहा? अंकल ने छोटे से बच्चे से कहा. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. So here the uncle said that it's an order. You have to do it. So get up and go. Don't be a naughty boy. Go at once and do your work. जैसे कि यहाँ पर अंकल ने कहा कि मैं आपको ऑर्डर दे रहा हूँ कि उठो और जाओ. मस्तीखोर जैसे बच्चे मत बनो. जाओ अपना काम करके आ जाओ. Like that the uncle said to the boy. Now the next. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. So students, as in the beginning I said that the uncle was hard-working and disciplined, right? So here the line is again repeating. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. जो अंकल थे वो बहुत ही मेहनती थे. वो खुद से बहुत ही मेहनती थे. Right? He was a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. So students, he himself, the uncle himself, he is doing all the work. For example, carrying all the things and taking all the things, carrying all the things and going into his room. जैसे कि अंकल बहुत ही मेहनती थे. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा था कि अंकल खुद से ही बहुत मेहनती थे. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? अपना सामान सब उठाया और एक रूम में चले गए. राइट नाउ बट द लिटिल बॉय सैट स्टिल. बट वो छोटा सा बच्चा वहीं पर ही बैठा था. ही फेल्ट दैट हिज अंकल वॉज बीइंग अनफेयर. सो हियर द बॉय फील दैट हिज अंकल वॉज बीइंग अनफेयर. जो उसके अंकल थे वो अच्छे नहीं थे. वो उनके साथ अच्छा बिहेव नहीं कर रहे थे. ऐसा कौन समझ रहा था? वो छोटा सा बच्चा. कि जो अंकल हैं, जो मेरे अंकल हैं, वो बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट है और वो मेरे साथ अच्छा बिहेव नहीं कर रहे हैं. लाइक दैट द लिटिल बॉय वॉज थिंकिंग. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडेज सेशन इज कंप्लीटेड टिल he felt that his uncle was being unfair. Okay, till here the explanation is completed. The remaining part we will continue in the next lecture. Students, I hope everyone understood whatever I had explained you today. Students, if you have any doubt, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.